What's going on, guys? David here with you with DC Appliance Repair. You already know what time it is. We are back. Welcome back to my channel. Glad to see you. Glad to have you back with me today. Know it's been a little while since I've posted up some videos. Kind of had them spaced out because we've just been so crazy with business and time. But how's everybody doing? Let's get a couple announcements out the way. First things first, if you are an appliance technician or thinking about becoming an appliance technician, or if you're a hustler and you flip appliances on the side and you like to know some troubleshooting issues, you would like to get some professional opinions, or you want to get started in the appliance repair business, or you may already be in the business. You may be in your first year and you've took on some warranty work and you're getting some warranty calls and you're getting a couple refrigerators, or you may have some issues with some washers or ice makers, Samsungs and LGs. It don't matter what the situation is. It don't matter where you're coming from or where you're at in business. If you want to become a part of my chat group, email me down below. It's DC Appliance Repair 2012@gmail.com. This is how this works. You email me with your number. I email you back and I'll text you and say, hey, it's DC. I'm going to call you at this time. And if that time works, we'll set up. We'll have a one-on-one phone conversation. You know, chop it up, see where you're at in business, let you know what all I do and see if I can help you in the areas you may need help in. And we'll go from there. Like I said, guys, so much information you can learn. You know, you're trying to get hooked up with warranty companies, I can help you. I can tell you what you need to fill out. You know, you need help with insurance, you need help with this, and this, and all aspects of the appliance repair business. $20 a month. I will say this. The price will go up. When? I don't know yet. But get in where you fit in, because when you get in now, your price is locked in. Alright, enough said with announcements. So, want to update you guys on how business has been going and just kind of the things I've been running into. So, notice the past 3 weeks, man, the public has just been, man, they've been they've been quarantining. So with that being said, husbands and wives and brothers and sisters and whoever else, they're cooped up living with each other. They're about ready to bite each other's head off. And here's old little old appliance guy. He's done knocked out 8-9 calls. He's a little bit behind. He's done got stuck on the interstate. Dang job that took 30 minutes, then took 2 hours. You know, it don't matter. The public don't care. But, you know, there's a few far in between out there, but it seems like lately, man, the whole public itself has just been real tight. And it has worked me, it's worked my technicians, it has worked other technicians around the country, because they're reporting the same thing, that, man, they just, no matter what you do, you bend over backwards to help somebody, and it don't matter. But that's okay, that's all part of it. But I must say this, I'm up for a vacation, and yes, I'm planning a vacation very soon. On the 13th, I will be taking off. Now, I'll still be working, of course, but I won't be answering these old phone calls and doing appliance repair stuff. But I plan on doing a little bit of day trading. I plan on catching up on a lot of my projects that I've got, as far as videos and, you know, all the different information I got for you guys. But, you know, I want to say this, and this is not knocking any kind of, you know, training course or anything like that by any means, but this is just what I have found with, you know, the guys that are in my chat group, because a lot of guys, they've paid for courses and they did different things like that. Oh, man. And so I haven't never taken a course. No need for me to. There was a lot of information out here on YouTube. I went and learned and gathered it myself, and everything else I learned the hard way, or by hands-on experience. From the beginning. And with that being said, I find that a lot of guys that come from different courses, like I said, I'm not talking about any specific course. I'm just talking about from courses in general. And they still come to me for $20 a month because there's a lot of gray areas in between. And, there's assurance. There's just, hey, I've checked this and this and this, and, I'm not getting no results. Well, where's that black and white area? Well, courses don't teach that because that's just a lot of information in itself to try to teach. So that's why I say that, this is what you benefit when you join my chat group, because it's these gray areas. It's these areas that's in between that needs to get filled, and this is where the chat group shines because, you're out on a refrigerator, on a Samsung LG, or you're out on a wash machine, or you're out on a dishwasher, regardless of what the appliance is, and you've come to the end of your road with your knowledge and your capability, and you're there at a customer's house, and you're just staying calm, cool, and collective. Well, you can radio in, and knowing in the back of your mind that I can radio in and I can get somewhere. That's what this group is about. And this is where this group shines. And, I need to put more time into, that's why I say the value of this is definitely going to go up, because I'm building PDF files. I got different files, different videos, all kind of different things that when you're in a situation, I can just send you a video real fast. Hey, this is how you take this apart, and this is how you do this, etc., etc. So there's a lot of things that I'm so pressed for time, for all the things that I got running, and then dealing with customers and dealing with the public just in general. When you get home, you're just exhausted. And so it's time for DC to take a vacation. I got one coming up, and I'm gonna take off, shut everything down, and we're gonna catch up on a lot of loose ends, and we're gonna rest, and we're gonna trade in the stock market, and we're gonna continue to make this money. And hey, for you guys that are interested in learning stock market and how I day trade every day, be sure to leave me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I do have a Facebook group that you can go and join. It's called Weeble Day Trading DC Style. I'll have that in the link down below. But you guys have a great day. It's good to see you. I'll have more information and more videos coming up. Again, that's DC Appliance Repair 2012 at gmail.com. And I will see you guys in the next video. Yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that waterfall right there.